Right, I'm back at the old flat. I've done... Where the hell was that old age scar come from? I'm back at the old flat. I've done some little bits while I'm here. We'll swing it round, get at it. I've put this Japanese maple in. It's a Acer palmatum type. Bihoo, B-I-H-O-O, Bihoo. I do not know if it's going to survive there. I put it there because it will mirror the one that's further down near Linda's. And this one's got really nice, bright bark on it. Yellow and red, orangey red. And I noticed when I got it that it's almost exactly like the Cornus Midwinter Fire. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some of the Cornus Midwinter Fire from the allotment and plant it further up. So they both look the same, but they're actually two different plants. Linda's just coming out. So I'm going to leave that a few days and then I'm going to give it a bit of water. As you can see, the wall has lots of hart's tongue fern growing out of it. It's my intention to paint this wall a dark grey, masonry paint grey, because it's something I learned when I went to Ireland in 1999 and after. They tend to paint their walls dark grey and it really brings the colour out. So hopefully this will survive and fill up to at least 5 foot within about 10 years. Whether I'll be around or the world will be around in 10 years, I don't know, but I've put this Acer palmatum Bihoo in and I hope to get and plant a small Cornus Midwinter Fire around here, and they both look the same but they're different plants. I had to repair this section of the path. This was covered in crap, there's rubbish everywhere, so I had to clean all the dirt off of them 4 tiles, but they're pretty much settled now with all the dirt that went into the cracks, and that was over there. I had to move it back. As you can see, I've had to do this section of the path again. It's not perfect, unfortunately, but I'm going to lift it up a 3rd course. Right, back again. For now, I've put these, this is a lavender in a pot, and I've put it on this fire brick in the corner. And I've got these 2 marjoram and oregano. I've put them on fire bricks here too, near the greenhouse base. Oh, wish I could zoom out. And here's the finished result for the pipe pyramid. This was at the gaff, and now I've moved it. So we got the pipe pyramid with a pine bark on the top, and we've got the old 1930s and pre blacking polished bottles, and I've made this little tower out of engineering bricks that were left over, so that'll be for Mini Beast as well. And I've got this big pipe that I've found at Outram Road out the front, dumped. So we've got this one big pipe. So that's Mini Beast corner basically. And I cleaned this area out and moved the soil forward. I might try and make a secondary compost heap, outdoor compost heap. We'll have to see if I find any materials. But that is about it. We've made a Mini Beast pile. We've got these put on tiles or fire bricks. Oh, and I've had to repair the path, and I'm just about to take the cargo buggy to the Coombe Wood Conduit Lane area. I'm going to pick up some bricks now. A couple of them might be medieval and the rest will be Victorian, late medieval. I might be wrong, but and I'm going to lift it up another third level, and then I'll be able to add more to it again. And this is good, really, having a raised area of mulch, bark mulch and other stuff, because if the soil itself gets too wet, the worms can come up into the path. I noticed that at the gaff. And this Ace Apartmentum